Hello everyone. In this video, we will look at another way of comparison, that is percentage. When we express a quantity in a fraction form with a fixed denominator of 100, we call it percentage. For example, if I have 73 upon 100, I call it 73%. So why percent? Because percent means per cent. Cent means 100. That is per 100. And we use this symbol to represent percentage. So in this example, 73%, we can write it as 73%, which is equal to, we saw seen 73 upon 100, or I can say that as 73 per cent per 100. 73 per cent 100. Percentage is very good comparison way when we have unlike fractions. When we have unlike fractions, to compare, we need to convert them into like fractions. And what we do is we find LCM and convert them into like fractions, and then we compare them. Instead of doing that, we can convert them into percentage. Let's see how we can do that. So let's take an example. If student 1 gets 17 marks out of 20. Now, and student 2 gets 19 marks out of 25. Now I want to compare these marks. Student 2 may say that he's got 19 marks, which means he has got better marks than student 1. In the first look, that seems to be correct, but it may not be, because the denominator here is not same. So what we'll do is we'll convert them into percentage. Now how to convert them in percentage? There are three methods. Method 1, we find equivalent fraction having 100 as denominator. So if I multiply 20 by 5, I get 100. So I multiply 17 by 5, which is 85. Same way, for 19 upon 25, if I multiply 25 by 4, I get 100. And if I multiply 19 by 4, I get 76. So here we see that student 1 has got 85% marks. And student 2 has got 76% mark, which means student 1 actually has got better marks. Now this method of converting using equivalent fraction, we face some problems. For example, let's take the marks are out of 30. So there are 23 marks out of 30. Now how can I convert 30 into 100? It's very difficult to convert 30 into 100 because it goes into decimals and that also repetitive decimals. So this method is not very appropriate method for all situations. So let's see another method. Let's see method 2. What we do is we multiply this fraction by 100 upon 100. Now if we see here, multiplication by 100 upon 100, we are getting equivalent fractions. So the value of the fraction is not going to change. Now 21s are 20, 25s are 100. we want to keep this 100 intact. We don't want to touch this 100. And hence what we get is 17 5s are 85. 85 upon 100, and that is equal to 85%. Similar way for this, and that is equal to 76%. Now let's do the other example. 23 upon 30 we had into 100 upon 100. Now, as I told you, I am not going to touch this 100. So that will, this 1 0 gone, 1 0 gone. So 230 upon 3 upon 100. Now 230 upon 3, I get 3 7s are 21, 10 remaining, 3 3s are, and then 0.3 upon 100. And I get 73.3%. So this is another method of finding percentage. Now, it may happen that sometimes you forget that we have to keep this 100 down, and you can cancel this 5 1s are 5 and 5 20s are 100, and then you will get again 17 upon 20. So there is a possibility that such thing may occur, and to avoid that, what we do is we made some small changes to this method, and we came up with method 3. In method 3, we multiply this number by 100%, which is equal to 100 upon 100. So the upon 100, so instead of writing this as 100 upon 100, what I did is I converted this 100 into the symbol percent, so that there is now no chance that I will use this 100 in any of my calculations. And so it becomes 25s are 100, 17 into 5, 85%. Same way, 19 upon 25 multiplied by 100%. The earlier example we had, this gone, that equals to 230 upon 3%, and that is equal to 73.3%. The difference in method 2 and method 3 is just that instead of we writing 100 upon 100 and multiplying this, we are writing this as 100%, just to ensure that we do not do any operation on this 100, and this 100 stays intact.
I am sure you have liked the video. Hit the like button and leave your views in the comment section below. Do watch our other videos on this topic. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. You may also download the YouTube app at the link provided in the video description. Till we meet again, goodbye.